Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Gary. I've actually been gone for like 3 weeks, so I haven't actually filmed my new place yet. If you don't already know, if you don't follow me on the gram, I actually moved like 2 weeks ago, so it's been super stressful. That's why I haven't really uploaded onto YouTube, but there is no excuses. Like, what the hell am I doing? So I'm not sure what it's like to film in here like with YouTube, so I'm not sure if there's going to be an echo. I really apologize if there is, because it's actually, as I said, it's my first time filming in here. So I'm actually going to film like a Christmas kind of like party look, period. So yeah, so I'm not sure. Let's just get this tutorial started. Obviously, if you want to subscribe, definitely click that subscribe button somewhere down below there, and obviously click that bell just so you're notified when there is a new video, because I'll be uploading more frequently because I'm in my own place now and I'm living by myself. So have you guys been anywhere? What's the tea? What's going on? I'm so glad to be back. I've actually just primed my lids using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Chestnut. So I actually found this palette when I moved, and this is called the Morphe 3503 palette. Can you guys see it? It's so gorgeous. Let me open up for you. Like, let me show you how beautiful it is. It looks like that. It's super gorgeous. It's giving me like that kind of like autumn kind of, you know, beat down look. I think I'm gonna do something like a bit more like warm autumnish with a pop of gold, just because this palette is super gorgeous. I'm not sure when this came out, but I'm pretty sure it was like a month or two ago. But you guys know I love me some Morphe, so I'm gonna dip into this color. Actually, I'm trying to think what I'm gonna dip into this color here and use it as a transition color. So I'm gonna take this brush here. So what's going on, guys? It feels so weird to live by myself. I'm not sure why, but it just feels absolutely crazy. Like, I had so much going on, so I basically moved out, and then something else happened. Then obviously what happened, so I had loads of events going on, and then moving was just so stressful, guys. Like, I still feel like I haven't really like settled in yet. Like, so much stuff has been going on. Then it's my birthday in a few weeks, so I just feel like this end of the year has just been so ooh, this palette's gorgeous. Like, it's so nice. So yeah, it's just been crazy, but I'm so glad. It's like so weird living by myself. When I first moved here, I was so upset because it's so quiet, and then when you really live by yourself, like, your thoughts are literally the only thing you can really think about. You're like, wow, it's really quiet. So I'm actually gonna use this color here. This color is super gorgeous. What I was gonna say, yeah, so loads of events have been going on, and I just feel like I was a bit run down because I was just trying to do too much. But what's new with you guys? What's going on? Are you guys ready for Christmas? I really wanted to do Vlogmas, but I just don't think it's gonna happen this year. I've been so inconsistent on YouTube, so inconsistent in many things really. Like, I really want to get myself into a routine and do so many things, and like, I feel like this year people just really reflect on like what their goals were for last year, what you really wanted to do. But I just feel like there were some goals like I feel like I achieved that I really set myself last year to achieve this year, but I don't know. I just feel like, do you guys set goals? Do you just go with the flow, or do you always like, you know, just have something in mind that you want to complete? I think sometimes when you always say your goals and then you don't complete them, like, you really like beat yourself up and like, why did this not happen to me? Why did this not happen? I don't know. I just feel like this year is always a funny time of year. It's like a happy year and a sad year, because the year ends and you reflect, but at the same time it's like a new year, so you're like, oh my god, I better step my shit up, you know? So I'm basically now gonna go in with this purple shade here. So like, even recording now, it's just so quiet, guys. Like, I'm like, should I use this brush? And like, it's so quiet. I'm just like, oh my god, what is going on? It feels so weird to record a YouTube video in here. So what videos do you guys want to see? Come just guys, I'm in a rut with YouTube just because I'm not sure what videos to do. Because I know sometimes, well, people just don't want to see makeup tutorials anymore. I think people are actually bored of them. People want to see, I don't know, I think people want to see more exciting things with a bit of drama, a bit of sauce, a bit something more personal. Like, I'm just not sure what to do. Like, on Instagram I can do like makeup videos and stuff, and like I can really like express myself through stories, but I don't know, I feel like on YouTube I'm a bit stuck. Like, I do love this platform so much and I do want to grow in here, but I always say like I'm just not sure when I come in here like what I really want to do. Like, if you guys want to comment on some stuff that you really want to see from me, that would be most appreciated. So far this palette is blending out so bomb, it's so nice. Like, I feel like this palette's so easy because when the colors are quite similar you can't really go wrong, you know what I mean? Sometimes when the color palette's a bit like, what's going on? It's a bit like, okay. So I'm actually gonna go in between. I've actually used these once, but they're so good. I actually forgot I had them until I moved. And these are the Aqua Metal Shadows by Tom Ford. I know she's bougie, but these are so pretty. They look like that. One's in the shade, these are the Soleil Summer ones, Violent Argent, and this is Reflects Guilt. The names are mad, but let's go. I think I'm gonna go for this one because it's got that more rose gold. I think this is a bit more yellow gold. It's very auntie-ish, so I'm gonna apply some of this and let's see how we go on, because it could go a bit mad because I haven't planned what I'm gonna do. So guys, this is so nice. I'm literally gonna take a bit more of that purple and just blend out the edges there because we don't want it to be too harsh, but I actually love the way this looks. You do have to layer it a tiny bit, maybe because mine's old, because I've had this for ages, but it is super pretty. Obviously I'm gonna put something on top of it, but I really like the way that looks. It's so bomb. It feels quite cooling. It might be, oh my god, imagine if it had like expired and my eye like blew the fuck up. Oh my god, I'm actually kind of scared, but it's actually kind of tingling. Should that be happening? I'm a bit scared, but I just think because it's cold, because it's been in my drawer and it is kind of cold in here, might ask me to put the heating on. So pretty, I cannot cope with this. Okay, so this looks so beautiful. These liquid eyeshadows by Tom Ford are so good. Just look how beautiful it looks. Like, it was so easy. Like, I don't normally do a cut crease because I've got hooded eyes, so I don't really like doing a cut crease because it can be a bit messy. But this is so good. I'm not sure, they must still sell these because I know they came out of the summer collection, but they have to sell, they might even be permanent. But I really want to put this glitter on. It's this one here, this gold one, but I'm not sure if it's gonna ruin the look. Should I do it at the start or should I do it at the end? I'm a bit shook because I don't want to ruin the look because it looks so pretty the way it is. Should I do something? But Christmas is so glittery. I'm gonna put some of this glitter on and see if it works because okay, let's just do it. Let's take risks. Okay, so I'm gonna put this glitter on. Let me get my compact mirror because I know I'm gonna need it. It's such a beautiful glitter, so let's just press some here. Because I don't want to do it at the start in case it gets a bit mad. Let me see. Does that look cute? Let me press a bit more on. That is so nice. Wow. Do you guys love it? Okay, so guys, I literally just added the Hudabeauty hoodie lashes, and I actually used her new glue, which is called Sticky Tack Lash Glue, which is really good if you... Why are these sirens going off? Like, it's really good if you're new at applying lashes. I'm not new, but I just feel like sometimes because I've got curly lashes, the eyelash doesn't really go into the band well, so you have to take them off and reapply them, and it's just amazing if you don't want to reapply the glue and do that whole long process. So I'm actually going to use the Victoria Beckham by Augustinus Bada, and this is their new priming moisturizer. It is so good. The packaging is so bougie, but I think it's like £90, something crazy. So I only use a little bit. Oh my god, it's glitter on my face. So I only use like a little bit just because it can be quite pricey, you know? Like, no one wants to pay £90 for a moisturizer, but it kind of depends what kind of bitch you are. Like, are you that high-end bitch or are you like in the middle? But I do think it's a really nice prime moisturizer, but £90 is a reach. So this has been a part of my skincare prep. This is the Glossier Future Dew. It's kind of like a hybrid serum. It kind of gives you that kind of like dewy kind of like look onto the cheekbone. It's so nice. I'm just gonna take a Smashbox blurring concealer brush. It looks like that. Smashbox brushes are so good. I'm actually gonna blend that all out. Are you guys going to any Christmas parties this year? Like, I think I've only got my agency Christmas party I'm going to, which is actually this week. I don't really go to that many Christmas parties. When I used to work in store, I used to go to a lot, but in the recent months, well, years, I don't really go to many Christmas parties, no. I feel like Christmas parties can be very messy. So guys, I'm now gonna go in with the Smashbox, and what's this called? Studio Skin 15 Hour Wear mixed with the Hudabeauty Faux filter. I'm just using this Smashbox sheer brush to apply it on, then I use a blender. I love this brush so much. I actually got this from Makeup Shader because she uses it, and then I go in with a blender just because I feel like when you go straight in with a blender, this color's a bit dark for me, but it's fine. When you go in with a beauty blender straight away, I just waste so much product, and I feel like with a brush you can really just control how much coverage you want and stuff. So yeah guys, I can't believe my birthday is in 19, well, how many days is it? 19? 18? It's basically like in 3 weeks. I'm going to Amsterdam with my friends, which should be so exciting, but it's like a big birthday and I'm just like, oh my god, I'm getting so old. Oh my god, look on the camera it looks so mad, but I'll put some concealer on to brighten it up. I'm gonna take a new concealer, and this is the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless. I feel like this would be amazing for like a Christmas party, and it has kind of like a heart-shaped dough, which you don't really see in concealers. You see them more in lip glosses, but ooh, this color is nice. This is in the shade medium dark warm golden. It's actually a really nice golden shade. Ooh, okay, Smashbox. I feel like Smashbox gets slept on like a lot. I'm not sure why, but their product's actually so good. Their foundation, I've actually bought a new one. I don't think it's that new, but I can't remember what it's called now, but it's really matte and it's so good. Like, if you want to keep your foundation on all day. It's a bit too matte for me, like not too matte, but like I have to mix it with like something or really have my skin hydrated, like prepped, but it is an amazing like foundation. Like, it's so good. I'm just gonna use an LC sponge to blend this out. It's really good at getting in the corner of the eye. So nice. I'm gonna take a little Mercier powder puff and like kind of bend it in half like that. And then what I normally do, I get some of the powder in here and I tap off the excess on my like hand, and then I kind of like just press it. Like, because this is a velour puff, it won't make your eye dry. I feel like some puffs are quite like, the ones that are like matte and not velour are gonna just basically make your eye really cakey. But I just love the sponge puff, I mean. Again, stole from Makeup Shader because she always uses it. But apparently she got the technique of like Mario, Makeup by Mario, so okay. Basically just used a darker concealer in the same Smashbox concealer to like contour. I actually really like this concealer. Oh, it's a 24-hour concealer. It's definitely matte, but it's definitely so nice. Oh my god, that would be a new holy grail. So I'm gonna use Benefit Toasted to do a bit of contouring. Well, not contouring, more bronzing, because I don't want to look too snatched. But obviously you can do it a bit sharper if you want to look a bit more, you know, snatched. So I'm just gonna buff that out. So it's now time for me to do my under eyes. I'm actually gonna use this purple shade that I used in the crease, and then this shade here that I used as a transition to blend it out. I just really love this palette. Like, you know, it's funny when you put your foundation on, like everything just kind of like meshes together, and then you feel like a bad bitch. Like, I feel like some girl called Keisha. Foundation looks good, contour looks good, skin looks good, on fleek the fuck. I'm just connecting. I'm really loving the way the under eye looks. Those colors blended out so on fleek. My eyes started to water a bit. I'm so upset, like, oh my god. But I had to fix it. I just had to breathe in and go backwards. I actually learned that tip from Mario. Someone actually said it, I'm not sure who it was. So I'm actually gonna go in now with the Victoria Beckham satin Kajal liner in black and literally put some in the waterline. Okay, so my eyes look very sexy, very seductive. Take your man in a second, period. I'm actually gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. Like, can we just talk about packaging? Because Huda has been killing it. I know she's been out for a moment. I'm gonna go in with the shade Galaxy, which is this one, to go into my inner tear duct. So pretty, like, oh, it actually just ties up the look so nicely. I'm actually kind of shook. Like, what? Okay, so I'm actually like kind of scared to try a new product. This is the Mcgrath Labs Pale Gold Chroma Luxe Highlight Cream. So I got this in her Christmas PR gifting. It's actually really cute. Oh my god, this foundation should dripping down my arm. It's kind of like a cream that looks like this. Let me swatch it for you. It looks like that on the arm there. It's super blinding. I'm just not sure how it's gonna look on the cheeks. I'm definitely gonna have to like be careful in case it takes my foundation off, but let's just do it and see what it does. It's so blinding, but you know, sometimes these things can go like to the left and I want it to go to the right. So okay, let's just see how it goes. Guys, can we just take a moment for the high shine? Like, ish, I am deceased. Like, okay, Pat, this is definitely so intense. I'm using my fingers just so it can really warm up the product. Highlight all done. Really like the highlight. You just have to be careful because with any kind of liquid highlight, it's kind of hard to blend. So I had to like use the Morphe setting spray to really dampen my skin before it blended out. So obviously it's time for the lips and this look's almost done. So you can get ready for Christmas. Obviously you don't have to do a cut crease. You can probably just use this kind of color scheme and make it any way you want to. So I'm gonna use Victoria Beckham liner in number 6. I actually filmed a Victoria Beckham beauty video for you guys, but I wasn't happy with the kind of end result. So if you guys want me to like do a dedicated video to Victoria Beckham beauty, definitely let me know in the comments down below. This lip liner is amazing. It's number 6 and the colors are just so nice. I'm not sure what it is. Like, I'm just gonna line my lips. So I'm now gonna take the Hudabeauty lipstick in Joyride. This is one of my favorites and the formula is just so good, and like I just feel like it's just really good nudes. Go in with the Hourglass gloss in Unreal. That's called Strike, I think. It's called Unreal or Strike, one of the two. Ooh. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was such a cute look to create. You can obviously wear this to a Christmas party. You can obviously wear it to a birthday. It's such a pretty look. And I feel like, obviously, I know it's a bit intense, but it's not like crazy. Like the colors are very warm, very wearable. And I just really like the eyes, like the way the eyes came out. Foundation looks really good. The highlight's beautiful. Lip is nice. I love this gloss. It's just so good. Let me guys know in the comments down below what videos you want to see from me this December. Obviously, it's my birthday. I'm gonna do like a little birthday get ready with me, a birthday look if I go to Amsterdam. So let me know. I just love this look. Period. I shall see you in my next video, guys, and obviously don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Bye.